Hello, this is Rishikesh Anil Shinde, and I am pursuing MBA from the Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute Management Study, Akudi, Pune. And I am talking about the inventory control methods. Firstly, we can talk about the what is the inventory control. The inventory control is a process the managing the stock level and to ensure the right quantity of the inventory available at the right time while minimizing the cost and maximizing the efficiency. It is help to the businessman of preventing the overstocking, stock out and a wastage, ensuring the smooth operation. The secondly, the importance of a inventory control. The what is the importance of a inventory control is the firstly reduce the cost, improve the cash flow, and enhance the customer satisfaction and optimize the supply chain efficiency. What is the reduce the cost? The reduce the cost is the minimize excess storage cost, prevent loss due to the obsolete stock, and the improve cash flow. Cash flow is ensure the capital not unnecessary tied up into the excess stock. And the third is the enhance customer satisfaction. Enhance customer satisfaction is a reduce the order delay and a stock outs. A third one is optimize supply efficiency. Ensure the timely procurement and a distribution of goods. Inventory control methods. There are different types of inventory control methods. First, a traditional inventory control methods. Economic order quantity is also known as a EOQ. It's help the businessman to determine the optimal order size and minimize the total inventory cost, like ordering cost plus the holding cost. And second one is a reorder point, is also known as a ROP, the level at which the new order should be placed to avoid a stock out. Third one is also important, the safety stock. The extra inventory kept to prevent a stock out due to the demand fluctuations or a supply delay. Help businessmen handle unexpected increase in a demand. Fourth one is a first in first out and a last in last out. They also work like a both work. They are both same work, but the procedure are different. Like first in first out is the oldest inventory is sold first, and the LIFO newest inventory sold first. And the second one is a modern inventory. Second one is a modern inventory control. Just in time JIT inventory. Inventory is ordered only when the needed reducing the cost. Use the industry like a manufacturing and a retailer. For example, Toyota. Advantage: reduce waste, lower storage cost, and disadvantage is a high dependency on the suppliers, risk of stock out. There is second one is ABC analysis. The ABC analysis is categorized into three classes: A, B, C. A item high value with the low quantity. B item is a moderate value and moderate quantity. The C is a low value and high quantity. There is a three different classes and there are different function. Third one is a vendor managed inventory. Vendor manage inventory. The supplier monitor the restocks inventory for the retailers used by the large retailer like Walmart and Amazon. The minimum and a maximum stock levels. The minimum levels, a lowest quantity before the reordering is necessary. The highest quantity there should be a store to avoid the excess inventory cost. The C is a technology driven inventory control method. Barcode and RFID system. Barcode scanner. It is help to track the inventory efficiency and reduce the manual error. RFID is called a radio frequency identifications. It provide a real-time tracking of inventory. Enterprise resources planning ERP systems integrate the inventory data with the other business functions like a finance, sales and a logistics. It is also perform the very important role in a logistic and supply chain management. Third one is AI machine learning in inventory management. Predict demand fluctuations, automates the inventory restocking. There, for example, the Amazon use the AI and machine learning inventories. It is also used for the minimum error detect minimum errors. Mm, and it is also helpful the work in a perfection. The cloud-based inventory, the real-time access inventory data from the any location, improve supply chain coordination. Fourth one is the challenge in control, stock out versus out overstocking, supply chain disruption, high cost technology adoption, and inaccurate demand forecasting. And there are six practices for the effective inventory control. First one is a regular inventory audits. Second one is a automate inventory tracking. Third one is a train employees. And fourth one is establish strong supplier relationship, which is help to the prevent a chain disruption. And fifth and last one is use demand forecasting tools. AI driven insight can optimize the stock levels. And our last point is what is a conclusion. The conclusion is inventory control essential for the optimizing stock level, reducing the cost, and improving the efficiency. Businesses should adopt the right mix of a traditional, modern, and a technology driven method based on their needs. As the technology advances, AI automation will play a critical role in a future inventory management. Okay, thank you guys.